Parents, I'm talking to you. How are you doing? End of school year. How are you doing? How are your kids? Is it as bad in your home as it is in mine? I don't wish it upon you, but sometimes it's helpful to know. I bumped into a friend in line to get some pastries, and she was like, "How's it going?" And I'm awful. Her face just looked so relieved because I was so honest. I'm always so honest by what's happening because I always, it smells so good. Because authenticity is actually less of an energy drain on the nervous system, so let me gift you with some. It has been a shit show in my home. Lots of feelings that have been displaced from the grief and excitement of the end of the school year have turned into like this hyperfixation of control and like constant irritability. So it's been a few weeks of that. As we get closer to the end of the school year, has intensified. So I wanted to just kind of name, if this is happening in your home, you're not alone, totally normal, and there's one thing to really consider and keep in mind. End of the school year in and of itself is very stressful. Any kind of transitional period is stressful for the nervous system because our nervous system, our bodies need to prepare for another routine. So it's just like a move to another home, right? It's stressful to adjust. So as exciting as it can be, regardless of what your plans are for the summer, it's going to be anxiety inducing because the body doesn't know what's coming up next. And the piece to really consider is the impact of parenting in the midst of fascism. The level of intensity of the news cycle is not to be underestimated, especially for parents of color, parents of neurodiverse kids, parents of LGBTQ identifying kids. If you are a LGBTQ family, you're going to feel like you're under attack because you are. I just want to highlight that that's true, right? The information that's out there that's coming in as you're not safe. So really understanding that is an energy drain. If you're irritable, if you're exhausted, if you're depressed, if you're anxious, it's because of that. It's not because there's something wrong with you. It's because of the environment. So be really intentional that when you come home, shut the doors, imagine taking off like a hazmat suit or some backpacks from the day so you can just have an energetic marker of, okay, I'm not going to be carrying this, right? Because when we're under this level of stress, we just start to absorb it, and our nervous systems are so incredible that they just start to put it in the background, right? This is a thing that we're going to be carrying for a long time, so let me put it in the unconscious, autopilot, right? But it's really stressful on the body. And then the real energy savings is if you can identify where in your history these things are triggering. With my individual clients, my private clients that I work with, we always start with a intensive to kind of go through your developmental history, go through your family of origin history, understand your particular nervous system wiring, where it comes from and why you respond to certain things, why you're interested in certain things, so you can really understand your body, understand why you do the things that you do. So this week, yesterday particularly, because I was in a very desperate spot, we just basically cried and laughed together because we were able to identify and connect the dots to the particular histories of each of my clients. And it was just such a relief to understand I am feeling this way because my family has a narcissistic parent that we all had to adapt around and clean up for. This is what's happening in the nation right now, right? They go on a bender, they have reactivity, and then everyone in the family adapts by cleaning up the mess. See if this lands. Go take a shower, imagine washing this off. Make sure you're eating well, make sure you're sleeping well, make sure you're exercising to get the cortisol and adrenaline out of your body. Remember, you're not alone. You don't have to figure this out on your own. You are loved exactly as you are.